Let's celebrate Earth Day by creating these Earth-looking seed bombs. You will need 3 flower seed packets, 3 sheets of construction paper, 1 blue, 1 green, and 1 white, a food processor, scissors, water, and 3 bowls. First, cut your construction paper into 1-inch squares and place each color separately in a bowl. Pour the water into the bowls and allow the construction paper to soak for 20 minutes. Squeeze the excess water out of the paper. Place 1 colored paper in the food processor and then pulse until the paper becomes pulp. Then repeat with the other 2 colors. Divide the packages of seeds between the 3 bowls, mixing them into the pulp. Lastly, grab a bit of each color from each bowl, form it into a ball, and let it dry. Once dry, toss your flower seed bombs into your favorite flower pot or garden.